Important things to know about sales. Sales are the main data input in Project Target. Sales are usually being added on a daily basis. Sales with verified status are the most important ones. They are the only ones considered when targets are being recalculated. Future targets depend on verified sales. Other sales statuses are important for different KPIs. Click Add button to insert sales. Model shows you 3 steps for inputs: sale details, add products, and assign sale. Tracking number is sale ID. You can search contract number if you inserted previously or created clicking on this button. For customer, we have the same rule as for the contract number. Sale type is, in our case, standard. However, it can be customized per client needs. Sale status can be verified, pending, cancelled, and not sold. In our case, we will put some verified, pending, cancelled, and not sold sales because of statistics, which you will see later. Sale date is the date when you made the sale. Click Save and Next. Now we are in Add Product step. There you add product group, product, and value of the sale. Now click Next. In the last step, you should assign sale for departments and/or users. The system allows you to insert sales that are independent of users or departments. That's because user might change department in some period, depending on their company policy. We will insert some sales to simulate real-world cases. After overnight recalculation, all sales and standings of users and departments will be shown in dashboard in the next video.